Maribugay community. I'm here in Maribugay community on my way to Bye from Aboyok, and this is the coconut factory, coconut production factory. That's the process where you get your coconut oil here. Morning.
What is your name, friend?
My name is Eddie.
Eddie.
Yes.
Brian.
Okay.
Brian Malate.
Nice to meet you, Brian.
From where?
From Cameroon.
Cameroon.
Yeah, Cameroon. Hello, sir. Okay. So this is the Boko industry, right?
Yes, sir.
The factory. When you harvest the coconuts from the farm and then you bring them here.
Yeah.
Okay. So they are being. Oh.
This owner.
Okay. This is the first stage.
Owner the coconut.
This is the owner.
Oh. Businessman in the Philippines.
Oh, nice to meet you, sir. So this is the first stage to get the peelings out like this. Very sweet. Very effective.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, shout out. What's your name, sir? What's your name? Okay. Shout out to you. Okay, there's the second stage. Once the peelings.
Coconut, I will buy Arnel.
Here's the first stage, second stage. First stage is harvesting from the trees. Then second stage to get the peelings out like this. And then this is it. Then they will bring them here, where these guys will crack them open. And then crack open and send in there. So we don't know what happens in there. Let's see if we can go and check what happens in there. So can I check there? Can I go? Really? Okay.
Fine.
So what happened there when you throw them inside? Wash?
Cook the coconut.
Yeah.
Cooking.
Cooking.
The coconut.
Okay. So they take it in there to boil. How do I go?
My English is very strong.
It's okay. Very good. So
Filipino people is friendly.
very friendly. I love Philippines. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Hey, shout out to you. How are you? Good. So this is still the process here, same process, and then they will send it to this place. It's like where they have to cook it. So I've been given the permission to go and check. It's okay, bro. So we have to go up there, go up here. Oh my God, you see? So this is when they crack open, they'll then put in here. And then after they have to cook the coconut. The thing is they will cook to extract the coconut oil and then get this out. Get this out, but this also is used to make charcoal. So I'll take you to where the charcoal is being done. Thank you very much. We're in a hole. So over here, this is the extraction using the peelings to get the charcoal. So bend this and get the charcoal out of it. See over there, it's full to make charcoal where they will sell. So every product basically every product in hello basically every product in the coconut is not wasted. So these coconut shells will be used to transform as charcoal. That's the process in there. If you see in this place is to burn and then get the charcoal out of it. It's a whole factory, it's a whole industry here. Okay, thank you, sir. Bye bye.